In this video, I'm going to show you how to annotate in Sumatra PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do if you want to annotate is use the keyboard shortcuts. Now, there's a few different ones. I'm going to show you all of them right now. If you go over here and, for example, hover over some text, you could go and select it and then press A on your keyboard. And as you can see, it's going to annotate and it's going to give you the highlight. Now, if you go and hover over some text and you press U on your keyboard, it's going to give you an underline just like this as well, okay? So these basically are the most basic tool you can use with your keyboard shortcuts. Now we could also go over here and of course hover some more, and if you right click on your selected text, it's going to allow you to basically create annotation from selection. And in this case, you'll also have two other options, which are the strikeout, which is of course this line over text, or it also has the squiggly. So if I right click and then over here quick click on the squiggly, there we go, it's going to give you this wavy line at the bottom. So these four are your options if you are actually trying to annotate your text. Now you can right click on any of these and open your of course annotation, so you can edit it over here and you can then change the color from here to whatever you want. You can click on the specific annotation and you'll be able to change whatever changes are possible. So in case of a highlight, you can go and change the color and opacity, but the other three only allow you to delete them and basically put on contents or basically change color, okay? So that's the most basic annotations. However, you also have annotations which aren't directly connected to your text. So you can, again, if you hover over some text and select it, you can right click and get these annotations from selection. Or what you could also do is use these other annotations which you can add under cursor. So you can do right click and then create annotations under cursor, and you have text over here where you can basically add text just like this. So if you right click, you can do edit text annotation and you can just put on the content, whatever it is. I'm gonna click on hello and there we go, it's going to be hello. So just like this. Then what you can also do is right click and then here you have create, you have free text, which is going to allow you to type in whatever you want. Like I'm going to type in hello over here. There we go. You can of course change it as well over here. There's the settings, and you also have other ones. So the next one I'm going to show you is a stamp. You could go stamp this, you can right click and edit it, and you can of course change the icon as well. You have like a bunch of different ones you can change over here, as well as the colors of course. Then you also have the this one called the carrot, I think it's called. There we go, like this. You can of course use that as well. You could go and edit this one too, just like this, change colors, whatever you want here. Then we have the next one. The next one, I'm going to put it down here, is going to be a line. So a line is basically just a line. Again, you can edit this if you want to. Then you have a square, which allows you to make a square inside here for like a selection or something similar. And last but not least, we also have the circle, which again puts up a circle. And yeah, that's essentially all of these you have. And of course, you can use these for whatever you want. You can go and copy them. You could go and of course kind of place them around. And yeah, that's pretty much it, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.